Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tiramisu. Start by chilling bowls and whipping cold mascarpone with sugar until smooth. Separate eggs and whisk yolks with sugar to pale ribbon stage, fold in mascarpone. Beat whites to soft peaks and fold gently for airy texture. Soak ladyfingers briefly in espresso and layer with cream. Chill at least 4 hours before dusting cocoa and serving. Serve chilled for best flavor. In this video, I will show how to make delicious tiramisu. Measure ingredients precisely and chill tools for easier whipping and better stability. Use strong espresso, cool it, and dip ladyfingers only briefly to avoid a soggy dessert. Fold mixtures gently to keep air in the cream and create a light texture. Layer evenly and finish with a generous cocoa dusting, then refrigerate so flavors marry and texture firms. In this video, I will show how to make delicious tiramisu. Begin with a thin layer of cream, then add espresso-soaked ladyfingers, and repeat until your dish is filled. Finish with a thick, even top of mascarpone cream and sift unsweetened cocoa over the surface. Chill at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. Slice with a hot knife for clean pieces and serve chilled to highlight layered flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.